All right, now we're doing 8Q Squash the Bugs. This is by PG1, and 90% of the people like it. This is a simple challenge. We're going to eliminate all bugs from the supplied code so that the code runs and outputs the expected value. The output should be the length of the longest word as a number. There will only be one longest word. Awesome. All right, so it's been a long time since I've done any of this. Let's just get cracking. Boom, that's no good. Change it with this. May want that. I don't know. This can't be greater. It won't even start. It's got to be less than. All right. It's got to be I++. This has to be in brackets because we're looking for the index. All right. This is good. This is no good. I missed one up there. Look at this. And let's see what happens. Oh, no, of course not. Now let's see what happens. Okay, cool. That's not what we're doing. All right. That's not what we're doing. That's not JavaScript, bro. That ain't JavaScript. All right, so let's do some JavaScript. What was it? Find longest. Okay. So find longest, and we're going to go equals str arrow function. And we're going to say, first we're going to start off with a Math.max. Math.max function returns the largest of the 0 or more numbers given as input parameters, or nan if any parameter isn't a number and can't be converted into one. So it's just going to find the biggest number. Here's ... array, and here's the array. Aha, spread syntax. Got to remember that. Got to remember that. I'm glad I saw that just now. So we're going to say math.max ... str, and here's spread syntax right here. Spread syntax allows an iterable such as an array expression or string to be expanded in places where 0 or more arguments for function calls or elements for array literals are expected, or an object expression to be expanded in places where 0 or more key value pairs for object literals are expected. Okay. Yeah, put it there or it won't work. That's what it said. str, what are we doing here? That is hilarious. Dot split. First we got to split it because we need to take these sentences and make them into arrays. What do we do with split? We're going to do the split method divides a string into an ordered list of substrings, puts these substrings into an array, and returns the array. The division is done by searching for a pattern where the pattern is provided as the first parameter in the method's call, right? So we're going to do this here. We're going to split it by the spaces in between the words, right? And right here, they're looking for words index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's Fox, just like it says. Awesome. So that's what we're doing. We're splitting it, and we're going to split it by the spaces in between these words right there. Now we've got to do a map of all this stuff. So here's map right here. The map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. So in this one, array1.map is x. That's what the element is. You might as well put element, whatever. X, arrow function x times 2. So 1 times 2, 2. 4 times 2, 8. 9 times 2, 18. 16 times 2, 32. Awesome. So we're going to do a map, and we're going to say x, and it's not even as hard as all that. We're just going to say for every element, we want to do an x.length. I should start saying element, shouldn't I? Just like here. Here's the arrow function. Yeah, just for teaching. Since I'm doing instructional videos. Element. Space. Element. All right. Let's see. Hopefully this works. I don't want to do this one over again. Awesome. Cool. All right. Awesome. So, dot length. So each one is going to be a number in the array. In the new array, that's going to be the length of each one of these words, just like that. All right, submit. and very much like it. And just me. How lonely. Just kidding. Best practice. All right, and we'll see you next time.